Hey everyone, how's it growing? Welcome back to our channel where beginner growers come together to learn together. If you're new here, welcome. We do this every week, sometimes twice a week. So be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell down below so that you don't miss our next upload. Today's video is sponsored by VIPARSPECTRA, LED grow light manufacturer, and we will be having a look at a brand new light which was sent to us for review. We've got a bit of a disclaimer though, and we would like to let everyone know that VIPARSPECTRA did not pay us to make this video. And what we will be doing is a one-off review video giving you our honest thoughts, opinions, and comments on this grow light after having used it for a couple of weeks. So now that that's covered, let's get into it. So firstly, a huge shout out to our sponsor for today's video, and on that note, let's dig a little closer into the unboxing of the VIPARSPECTRA XS1500 dimmable LED grow light. This is the smallest light in this series of VIPARSPECTRA lights and comes in at approximately 14 by 11 by 3 inches. The manufacturer's specifications state that this light pulls 150 watts from the wall. We have not tested this ourselves, but we have seen quite a few other growers test it and it seems to run pretty close, so it seems pretty accurate. This light covers a 2.5 by 2.5 veg space at 18 inches and a 2 by 2 flower space at 12 to 14 inches. This is a full spectrum LED, so there are no veg or bloom switches, and this grow light comes with a removable WELL driver. This grow light also runs with the new Samsung LM301B diodes. These lights are also water resistant, as is pretty standard in the LED industry now. It also comes with an external dimmer, which is quite handy. It also does not utilize fans for its cooling system, so it is extremely quiet, and the aluminum heat sinks help to dissipate heat from the grow light and cool things down in the tent. The grow light also comes with one power cord, 2 adjustable rope hangers, 2 hanging kits, and a user manual. There are no cool stickers or anything else inside, which we have gotten quite used to seeing with the Mars Hydro lights. So that's more or less it. Now, let's move on and give you our thoughts and feedback having used the light in our 2x2 starter tent for about a couple of weeks. So, first impressions straight out of the box were that it's a pretty cool light, and it's also very small, but the Samsung diodes, once plugged in, they do pack a punch. It's also an extremely suitable light for small spaces, such as a 2x2 grow tent, and it runs extremely quiet. There is literally zero noise. We did, however, find that this light did get quite a bit hot in our 2x2 when running at full power. That said, however, we are located in a relatively warm climate, so this experience may change for growers in colder climates. If you've used this light, please drop a comment down below and let us know what you've thought of it. Aside from that, we will say that the light is a bit on the heavy side. For such a small light, it really does have some weight to it. The hanging kits that come with the light are also quite long. It is worth noting this for growers with smaller tents because space is valuable and you want to avoid light burn. We found that in our 2x2 tent, it reached down quite far, even using the adjustable rope hangers, which isn't really ideal. The light also has a dimmer and removable WELL driver. However, the cord connecting the WELL driver to the light itself is extremely short, so even if you remove it, you can't really put it anywhere, which can be frustrating as the drivers are heavy and do run hot. Other than these things, the light works really well. We would have loved some stickers, but hey, it's all cool. Anyway, you can purchase the XS1500 on Amazon today using the link in the description below. Don't forget, links to all of the products that we use on this channel are in the description down below. Be sure to check it out. We hope you enjoyed this review, guys. Stay tuned for our next episode. Don't forget to smash the like button and hit that notification bell down below, because these two things really do help the channel out a whole lot. Till next time, stay fly and stay high, and we'll chat more in the comments.